Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. I don't know if I'm gonna wait to share this. Probably will. To our YouTube blog hop for the Cute and Crafty collection. But I need to do this video now, so I may just attach it to the other video that I'm gonna do. So we'll see. Otherwise, I might just post it after the fact. So I made an embellishment box. So this is following Christian's tutorial. So I will link her tutorial down below. And I did use everything from the Cute and Crafty collection, including all of these little paint containers that are from the odds and ends. So I just pulled out all of the ones that look the same, and it fit perfectly across the bottom of the box. And this sentiment is from the Chit Chat, which is the same collection basically. I really like this. I thought, actually, now that I think about it, it's like perfect because it's like the paint splatter, but it also reminds me of Jawbreakers. Like if you ever eat Jawbreakers, that's what it reminds me of. And then I did make it into a shaker, so you don't have to do that, but I like the acetate showing some of the stuff underneath, but I also like you know, the fact that you can see the shaker. So this is the box, and it's pretty fast to make. She gives you different options, so you can make it with 4 containers, 4 sections, I guess, or you can make it with 8, or you can just make it with 2, I think. So, you know, it's going to depend on what you want to give to the person that you're going to give the embellishments to. So instead of doing the 8, because I wasn't sure if all of these would fit in the smaller containers, I decided to just do the 4. So I had bought like a bunch of these, like these are like drawer pulls, or you can like decorate like the top of a jar with it, like this, like that. Look how cute. But I bought like so many of them. I bought it in bulk on AliExpress, so I decided to share that with the recipient. And then I also went through all of my cabochons and charms, and decided to share some of those. I have like just a bunch of like cute stuff. Hopefully she likes cute stuff. And then I went through some of my bubblegum beads, and I just added some of those. And then this is actually what she was asking me for. She offered to buy it from me, but I'm like, I'm just gonna give it to you, so because I have a lot and I don't think I'm gonna use all of it. So these are those brads that you can put onto like those mini books. And then the cool thing is it has this ring, and then you can hang your charms from there. So it's really great for like mini albums and that kind of stuff. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, but I still like it. So I can't find the other color. I thought I had 2 colors, but maybe I just got all gold. So I'm just giving her about 10 of them of what I have. And then I'm also giving her one of the, I found these sitting on my desk, so I'm gonna just give her one of the beaded dangles that I was playing around with earlier. So I hope she likes the goodies, the extra goodies. This is the main stuff that she wanted, but hopefully she likes all this other stuff, and I'll be shipping it off shortly. I might be adding on more things, but I just wanted to share with you the box because I think it came out pretty cute, and it's pretty fast, like I said. So go check out Christian's tutorial, and you'll probably find it, like you can do it definitely in one afternoon. Anyway, I didn't put the handle because I'm not sure how I'm gonna mail it yet, if I'm gonna mail it in a small flat rate or if I'm gonna just mail it in like a padded envelope. So if I decided to put it in a padded envelope, I'll probably have more room, so I can probably put the handle, but if not, then I'll just give it to her like this. Okay, so that is all I have to share here, and be on the lookout. Hopefully, I don't know if you'll see this after, but throughout the month of August, we're hoping that everybody will play with this collection and get inspired by all of the different projects. So we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!